welcome to Zandrei channel TZZ. Today we'll be folding a pinwheel. You can attach this to a stick so it spins in the wind. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so first, do the cross crease in both ways. So plus and X. So, cross crease, like this. Hold here. Hold here. Okay, now unfold that. Now the X crease diagonally. It's basically the same thing diagonally. Okay, now open it. So there, the cross crease and the X crease. Okay, now you get both sides, fold it to the crease that's going up and down. Okay, now get here and then fold it until you reach these creases. So the top of the diagonal creases. So do this both ways. Okay, here's the tricky part. So lift this up, get the diagonal creases that you just made, fold them, and then get this top layer, fold it down. Same with the other side. So up, fold, squash fold. Okay. Now, last two steps. Get any of the flaps, fold it up, and do the opposite at one of the bottom flaps. And you're done. Hi guys, make sure to like and subscribe to Zandrei channel ZZZ. By the way, I'm sorry I haven't told you this last few episodes, but make sure to ring the notifications bell. And by the way, if you have any suggestions, make them now, because I'm doing them next episode. So yeah, bye! Oh, and put your suggestions in the comments below.